Today on Toxic Rods, we're going to talk about the Vanderhall and converting your rear brake light to the 59 Cadillac rear brake light cover. So you want to watch this video because I'm going to leave links in the description, everything that you need. It's a really, really simple swap, but I definitely need to show you how to do it. And because I put them on before I started filming a couple of weeks ago, I do have some pictures and that I'm going to throw up here of all of this stuff to show you exactly what you need and how to do it. So Toxic Rods, like and subscribe to the channel, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to do this 59 Cadillac tail light swap on your Vanderhall Venice or Vanderhall Carmels.
Once again, it's your boy P. Batters. This one for the ladies. I'ma guide you through it. Follow me. I'ma walk you through it. Yeah.
Now, the one thing about the Vanderhall Venice Carmel, any Vanderhall product, the three wheels, the one major concern that a lot of people have is visibility at night. These things are low to the ground. You can't see them. And the brake lights are kind of sunk in, so you have to be really close to see the brake lights when they're going off, when you're mashing on the brakes or what have you. This gives you a little bit of comfort knowing that you can at least see it from the side, and it's actually a little bit brighter, and there's not a whole lot of major adjustments that you have to do to get it onto the existing brake light. So I'm gonna show you this hack, and first, I saw this on Garrett DeBry's Vanderhall. He do a lot of custom work. He got my tail, and I got some vents that I'm finna put on here, and I'll probably show you guys how to do that too. But he was the first person that I seen it, and I thought it was just, it made a classy look to the Vanderhall. It made it a little bit more classier than what it is. And I was like, yeah, I'm finna do that. Then I started looking into how they did it, and I was like, I'm not finna take off this back panel and all of this stuff and take off the light and cut it and blah, 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 blah. So I found an easy fix for you guys. So what we're finna do, I'm finna show you everything that you need, and I'm gonna have links so you can go ahead and order the stuff, because if you had to order it anyway, just hit my link. It's gonna help out the channel. All right, now the first thing you're gonna need is your tail light. So this is the 59 Cadillac tail light. Mine's, I do have the chrome around there, but I ordered a separate one with the blue dot. This was the original one I bought. Then I had the one with the blue dot because I think I like that better. Plus, you see my Vanderhall is blue. So I thought that just went a little bit better. So I had these extra. And now I can show you, how I put them on. The next thing you're going to need, black ultra gasket maker. Can you see that good? I'll leave a link for this stuff too, but you get this at any hardware store. Not expensive. That's next. And then the last thing that you're going to need to complete this project is the Spretre 8703. I think it's cold air intake gasket. I'll put a good picture on it down there so you can see that. This is going to make the job pretty much plug and play. So it took me a lot of different tries, buying a lot of different stuff to figure out what was going to work and what was going to make it easy, and ended up with this one. So this is the one that you're going to need to buy to make this go on. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to put it on and how it's going to look, how it's going to work. And then you can do it yourself. When you open up the gasket, you're going to see a band right here that comes with it. You can tighten it up on the screws right there. And then you're going to see your rubber gasket for your cold air intake, but we're using this strictly for the lights. All right. Once you get this, now like I said, mine's had the chrome on there, so it sits on there, but the diameter is going to be the same with or without the chrome. This gasket right here, it slides directly over this. It is a little bit tighter when you have the chrome, but not that much tighter. But it's a little bit tighter. But as you can see, moves around a little bit like that. The thing about this is there's going to be grooves inside here. You want to line these grooves up right here with the corner. And that's how you want to put that on, if you can see inside there. Reason being, when you take this tail light, and excuse me for the lighting, you take this tail light, this right here, you look at this, you can adjust it and work it and push it straight on. You see that? And now you got to maneuver it just a little bit to get it solid on there, but it'll press straight on. Once it's on, that's it. So that gasket fits perfectly around here with a little work. And you're gonna want it to play with it a little bit to get it right. But like I said, when you have the chrome on there, it's a perfect fit. You just snug it all the way up to the end of the chrome and then just slide this on. With this gasket, what you want to do is get your black gasket maker. And you want to get a nice coating on the inside of this gasket. Real nice coating. And then after that, you want to get this on there. With the hose lined up so that you have about, it looks like maybe 1/2 inch sticking out so that you can push it around the tail light. Now, my preference is the chrome because it's going to fit better with this gasket, and this is just to show you how it's going to look. But the chrome part around there with the little spikes, show some pictures up here, that's going to fit a little bit better. To me, it looks a lot nicer than just these. And everybody else, they had to cut. They took this light and they cut it. And then they found a way to glue this on there, and this toxic rides. We're not doing all that. We're going to make it simple. Once you give this time to dry, and I say give it a day just to be safe. This is something you really don't want to rush. But once you get it dry, then it's going to be time for part 2. And part 2 is pretty much the same thing. What you need to do is take some more of your gasket maker, put a nice bead around the inside of this and all the way on the gasket. From there, this side is going to be dry. What you're going to do is go to the back of the Vanderhall with the lights in place and just take this, and you can kind of snug it on there, push it. And if you haven't noticed that just from this without the glue, it's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. It's already on there. And that will set up the Cadillac lights on your Vanderhall. So it's real simple. I show you a before and after shot, and I show you a video of the of a stock Vanderhall next to mine's with the lights on. So this is a nice little hack. You can see them from the side. They look real good. They look real clean. And it's something that little upgrade that I think is very well worth the little bit of effort. And once you get it on, don't drive it for about a day. After a day, you're good to go. You ain't gonna have to worry about it coming off or nothing like that. You just want to make sure it's level and straight, and then you're good to go. So I hope you like what you saw. Toxic Rides. We'll be back with some more videos. If you like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Got other stuff coming up, finally, because I had some issues going on that I took care of, and I need to tell you guys about it. So, like and subscribe to the channel. Toxic Rides. I'm out.
Roll for me. Yeah. He backed up. AG. He's black. Yeah. Here we go. Come on. You held it down for me. You rolled for me. You helped me make it through when the world was shitting me, dissing me. You pulled me through the storm, and now I'm doing well. My pocket's swell. I'm staying on my grind. Just wanna say thank you. Just wanna say thank you.
Hey yo, I want you to connect with me. Turn the book of our lives to the same page. Keep it real, never meant for us to change ways. Break up, make up, all in the same day.